Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Peter here, and welcome back to another video. So I haven't really recorded in a while, and I just want to say that, I think I'm back. I hope so. If I'm not, well, I guess I've just been busy and my screen recorder hasn't been working. Um, so, yeah. So, I'm sorry if I don't get videos out to you guys in the next couple of days. I'll be kind of busy working on my own stuff, but yeah. So thank you all for watching, and that was just a little clip that I just decided to make to remind you all that I'm back. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.